the way we have toxins accumulated in our body, we do also get toxins accumulated in our head, in our brain, in our emotions. When there's like a lot of negative thinking or toxic thoughts or toxic people, toxic environment,
Yeah.
work culture, इन सब चीज़ों से भी हमारा माइंड पॉल्यूट होता है और देयर बाय हमारी लाइफ, हमारी वर्क एफिशिएंसी, हमारा मूड, सब चीज़ें अफेक्ट होती हैं. यू टॉक इन एपिजेनेटिक लैंग्वेज, थॉट्स, हमारी थिंकिंग और हमारे जीन्स, हमारे एपिजेनेटिक्स का कोई रिलेशन है?
इनफैक्ट मैं अगर बायो हैकिंग और एपिजेनेटिक्स के बारे में ज्यादा बात तो कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन माय डॉक्टरेट इज इन थॉट प्रोसेस री इंजीनियरिंग,
Wow.
cognitive studies. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm a strong believer that nothing can influence your genes more than your thoughts.
Wow, really?
Yeah, absolutely. We generally say the brain and central nervous system, they are autocratic. यानी कि उनके ऊपर कोई सुप्रीम कोर्ट नहीं है. वो डिसाइड करता है ए है और ए करना है, वो करेगा. Now, if inside this room, suppose my brain and central nervous system says that it's very hot, it's very hot. चाहे इसका टेम्परेचर 20 डिग्री हो, 23 डिग्री हो. Okay, and then they will make me sweat. Period. Nobody can change it. तो अगर आप आपके ब्रेन के ऊपर मास्टरी ले लिया, तो आप सबके ऊपर मास्टरी ले लिया. I always tell people that either you can master your brain, and if you don't master your brain will master you. There is nothing called neutral. जब आपका ब्रेन आपके ऊपर मास्टरी पाते हैं, you have no clue what this guy is going to do with you. It make your life so miserable. क्योंकि अगर ब्रेन हर एक जगह से सिग्नल्स रिसीव करते रहते हैं, somebody else is talking about you, that signal also is coming in. What's going on in the world? India-Pak war will be there. It will happen or not. So much of information, so many things which is happening around you. हर एक चीज आपके ब्रेन को इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं. Now, अगर आपका कोई इन्फ्लुएंस आपके ब्रेन के ऊपर नहीं है, so it will be trained by other people. The most beautiful thing we should understand is that the brain is the most trainable organ. You know, unfortunately, I don't know why human beings are being created this way, that we believe that we are our brain. And our brain is me. My brain is me. I know I can understand about my hand. You know, I have मेरे जो joint में एक दर्द है, I'm making it correct. But when it comes to brain, I don't know much about it because I don't see it. Maybe it could be that.
We never look at it like another organ.
Exactly. This is what I always train people to do. I do peak performance conventions in which the first thing what you do is I hypnotize them. There will be 2,000 of people. I tell, this is you, this is your brain. You have nothing to do with this guy. This guy is different. It's not you.
Yes.
Okay? Now you're going to communicate.
Yeah.
हर एक मोमेंट पे जो भी चीज चल रहा है, you are going to challenge this guy.
Tell me something. If you're saying that you are not this and now you communicate, now that you're communicating with your brain, what is working here? Who's guiding you to communicate with your brain?
Now I'm sitting here और मेरे ब्रेन के अंदर एक सोच आ रहा है. Thought, it's coming in. There is a thought coming in. You know, this is not going to be right. Suppose, you know. So how did I get that thought? It's based on past information, stored data. Brain always creates thoughts based on stored data. तो यही तरह का एक सिचुएशन में मुझे पास्ट में 2-3 इंसिडेंट हुआ, उससे ब्रेन रिट्रीव कर रहे हैं वो डेटा और कह रहे हैं कि दिस इज नॉट राइट, दिस इज नॉट द प्लेस यू आर टू बी इन. Now I'm going to challenge my brain and I'm saying that, hey, I understand what you're saying. But the same day, I know where I am right now. Or I am here with a purpose. Keep quiet.
Okay, so we mean the information which is stored in the brain or which is accumulated from surroundings versus blank side of the brain. Your conscious, yes. A conscious brain which has no influence talking to a brain or a memory which is influenced.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. क्योंकि अगर आप आपके सोच के ऊपर ही भरोसा करना शुरू कर दिया, I think otherwise you should need to have a very good past.
Yeah.
You know?
Yes.
So that's why we generally say, no, people, rich becomes richer, poor becomes poorer.
Yes.
Some people say he has got a Midas touch. वो क्या है?
Yeah.
यानी कि that his brain is trained in that way.
Yeah.
It'll identify
yeah.
the right things. It'll identify the right people. It'll identify the right opportunities.
And I think that's how beliefs are made.
Yeah, beliefs, because anything which you keep on thinking about, it becomes a habitual thought.
Right.
और उसके बाद एक belief, that's a neural pathway. A strong neural pathway is created. हमारे brain अगर आप देखें तो we generally call it as a white matter and grey matter, right?
Yeah.
तो मैं normally लोगों से कहता हूँ, यानी कि you can, if you really open your skull, you can see your beliefs. वो कैसे हो सकता है? All what you see as white matter is your belief. Because any neural pathway...
I thought that's fat.
Yeah, that's myelin sheets.
Yeah.
That's fat. So these myelin sheets are formed around the neural pathways. The stronger the neural pathways, stronger the kind of sheets. So actually, it's a very interesting topic, but at the same time, if you can actually really train this guy the right way, you can actually fix many of the things. You can heal yourself.
Which is why people, those who believe or those who think or those who have the past and the memories that nothing good can happen with them, nothing good actually happens with them. Or those who believe कि मेरे साथ सब अच्छा होता है, उनके साथ सब अच्छा ही होता है.
You know, as per Einstein, anything which exists in this universe, tangible, intangible, is one form or another form of energy. Solid, liquid, gaseous, light, sound. Thoughts be energy, hai na? That means if thoughts exist, it is one form of energy. Now, every energy has got frequencies.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, आपके सोच का ही frequency होता है.
Of course. Yes.
Anything which has got a frequency will resonate. Okay. Now, अगर आपके सोच उस तरह का जो सोच है, जहाँ पे hey, nothing can happen to me, these things are not going to work out for me. So this has got a frequency. And क्या हो रहा वाला है कि all those things having the same kind of frequencies will resonate.
Will attract.
लोग कहते हैं कि you know that's your thought, you know, आप सोच रहे इसलिए हो रहा. Actually, it is true.
Law of attraction.
Yeah, they call it as law of attraction and all those kinds of various things. But basically, if you look at it, it's basically the frequencies which match. That's why we call it as vibe, you know, there is a good vibe. Frequency and all those stuff.
Yes.
But coming back to thoughts, brain, and, you know, the health, I think if you don't do anything else, and if you ask me one thing to live a long, healthy, productive life, I would rather say that the shortcut is if you can control this guy. Because that can actually change everything. जैसे कि अगर आप देखें तो नए हैबिट्स आपको क्रिएट करना है, he needs to support you. अगर आपको कुछ behavioral patterns change करना है, you need the support.
Is there anything specific you do to train this guy?
First of all, you should be aware that you can train. बहुत सारे लोगों को पता नहीं है. वो सोच रहे हैं कि मेरा जिंदगी ऐसा हो गया. This is my destiny. You can train your biceps, right? You can build it. And people go and do so much of work on this thing every day just to build this up. How much work you do to build this up? And 1, 2, आप 3 महीने के लिए काम किया, कुछ biceps build किया, उसके बाद 3 महीने कुछ भी नहीं किया तो biceps खत्म. ये मसल तो नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. But brain, if you have trained once, permanent, it'll remain there forever. So it's worth training it in the right way. See, अगर आप human है तो आपके मन में, आपके brain में negative thoughts आ जाएंगे. So उस time you have to be very conscious that are these thoughts taking me to the place where I want to reach? No.
Yeah.
Okay. So what kind of thoughts can take me to the place I want to reach?
Yeah.
So I can actually change the vocabulary and give that instruction.
In the form of affirmations.
Yeah, at least I can think about that.
So analyzing your thoughts is what we are talking about here, right?
Analyzing, being conscious. Because
being conscious of your thinking.
Yeah, don't try to control. Thoughts का एक ही problem है. The more you try to control, it'll try to dominate you. जब be conscious about your thoughts. You know, okay, something is going on right now. What's going on right now? ये मुझे मेरा जो डेस्टिनेशन पहुंचाने के लिए हेल्प करेगा या नहीं? नहीं, ये सोच तो नहीं करेगा। तो किस तरह का इसको जो चेंज करके किस तरह का सॉफ्टवेयर वहां पे डालना है?
राइट।
मे बी इट लुक वेरी आर्टिफिशियल, बट by the way, everything you trained your brain, you trained everything artificially. आप किस तरीके से बाइसाइकिल चलाया? It was artificial in the beginning.
Exactly.
You didn't know. You were very artificial. आप किस तरीके से आप smoking चालू किया? It was so artificial. You took one or two facts and I cannot.
Yeah.
Then your peers were actually influencing you. You are a man or what? And now it is trained so well that you can do magic with the smoke. Rings आ रहा है बाहर. बहुत सारी चीजें करते हैं ना लोग इसको लेके. And after your lunch, if you don't smoke, you won't get digestion. मैंने एक बंदे से पूछा, यानी क्या स्मोक स्टोमक में जाके वो डाइजेस्ट कराते हैं क्या? पता नहीं सर, डाइजेस्ट लंच के बाद तो एक तो लेना ही है. So it's so programmed. So that's why I said that once you train it, it's permanent. You don't have to worry about it.
In fact, it becomes your brain and muscle memory that you don't even have to think about it, and you just do it.
Absolutely.
For example, as simple as driving a car, you don't always intentionally put brakes or apply, put escalator on. Your brain muscle memory is there who's driving the car, and similarly your brain and muscle memory can make you think good thoughts.
Exactly.
अगर आप ये पूरा एपिसोड देखना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारे मेन चैनल गुंजन शाउट्स पे जा सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है.